What is going on, traders? Welcome back to our channel, Trendline Forex here. We've got euro dollar to look at today. It is Monday, 30th of September, and it's actually the last day of the quarter. So we've only got the last quarter of the year left in the next 3 months. And, this is something that we're going to talk about in a second. But first, we have to check out price action, see where euro dollar is currently trading and what it's about to do, because I'm actually expecting that we're going to see a continuation of the uptrend. I think there's more bullish momentum, so that means more trading opportunities to the upside. Now this is the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, we've tested this 1.12 level on a few occasions actually. And considering that we are in a strong uptrend and we should see a continuation, I think that price is going to break above 1.12. And when it comes to targets, I'm going to be looking at 1.1250 next. Okay. Now, like I said, this is the last day of the quarter. What happened last quarter was, if I go to the daily time frame, you can see this is the end of June. Okay, and this is what has happened in the past 3 months. Now, I'm not expecting that we're going to have a reversal or anything like this, but I think that once we break above that 1.12 level, obviously we want to see how price action will react around the 1.1250 level. And if we get a good rejection, then that means we're probably going to see some sort of a deeper pullback, and it's something that we need to keep in mind. So if we go back down to the 1-hour time frame, I'm expecting to see a continuation to the upside and price eventually breaking above those highs right here. But if we manage to close down, I'm talking about a strong close down below that 1.1120 level, or basically the previous 1-hour lows, then I think we may be looking at this pullback sooner, right at the end of the quarter, which would make a lot of sense. Now, even if we break above that, I don't think we should be targeting much higher levels. So that's why I'm saying 1.1250 is the next level, the next area where we need to watch out and see what price action is going to do, how it's going to react around this resistance level up here. And again, if we get a strong rejection, then I'm probably going to be looking for a deeper pullback. But this may happen either at the end of this week. Remember, we've got NFP coming out on Friday. This is going to be the first Friday of October. And this is what we see every first Friday of the month. We have NFP data coming out. And NFP used to be, a massive event with a lot of spikes in the market. It still is. It is not as bad as it was before, but we can definitely see some moves happening, maybe some reversals, or some long rejection wicks taking out many market participants before price continues in either direction. So this is what we're going to be looking for here on euro dollar. And back to the 4-hour time frame, we already had one of those pullbacks, and I was expecting that this pullback will end down at this buy area where I was looking for long-term buying opportunities. And the analysis has played out very nicely, but I didn't get that pullback towards, and I didn't get that touch of the buy area I had pointed out here on my chart. But that happened on pound dollar. If you look at pound dollar, this is exactly what I had, exactly the same setup where I was looking for this pullback to end right within this zone, and then as you can see, we had this big rejection off of this zone here, and price action just continuing higher, continuing that uptrend. So this is what I'm expecting to see here on euro dollar, continuation to the upside. Ideally, I want to see price forming a higher low and not breaking below these lows, and then I'm going to be expecting a continuation higher. For those of you who are holding any lock positions from before, you can obviously hold for longer. Make sure to move your stops to break even as soon as you can. Okay, and if you're looking to join on this move, if you haven't got any position so far, just be careful, because soon we may be looking at a potential reversal, maybe a short-term reversal, but we still have some room to the upside. So to around 1.1250, I think it's a reasonable target, and if you find a good entry level with a good stop loss, then you're gonna have a decent risk to reward ratio as well. Okay, so don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. That's where you can see daily updates on euro dollar. and based on price action on the majors, you will know what you can expect on the cross pairs as well. And for those of you who really want help with their trading, if you want to either become a funded trader or just a consistently profitable trader, then you can also join the premium Telegram channel. This is where every single morning from Monday to Friday I'm sending out video analysis on all the instruments that you see here on my watch list. So we're talking about not only euro dollar but also the yen pairs, gold on a daily basis, Bitcoin, and as you can see, many more instruments. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.